Hello. Another tool that we will be discussing is Cielo or Cielo 24. Ayan. So this is cielo24.com. This is another good software that you can use to help you on your transcription. And once you're here, you can create your account by click on login and then click on self-serve, not the enterprise. Okay, and then you will be asking to sign up. If you have checked my other um, training about discussing about the fake mail, and then you will discard the mail afterwards, hindi siya gumagana sa Shelo 24. You will be receiving a link, pero it parang sasabihin nung fake mail, there's nothing there. Parang ganyan. So, here, you really need to create a legit email address. Ayan. So, I have created one. I have already have an account. So, click lang natin yung sign in. So, once you have already signed in, so ganito yung makikita ninyo sa kanya. And then, what you will do is, so kung makikita nyo, meron siyang trial credit. So, this is the free trial. Tapos, it will be paid eventually. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, if you will be starting to use this for your transcription, you go ahead and click on on the right side of your screen, click on upload. Ayan. And then, you will click on add file. So, dapat nasa file mo na or nasa computer mo na yung MP3 or yung MP4, and then click on open. And then, papipiliin ka niya, either order human or order mechanical. Choose order mechanical. Kasi when you click on order human, ibig sabihin another human being will transcribe this for you. So you will be paying a person to transcribe it. So click on order mechanical instead. These are the supported files. And the maximum file size is 2000 MB. So go ahead and click on order mechanical. Okay, and then just click on save. Ayan. So, ganyan na siya. Ang mangyayari ngayon, you will have to wait na lang for it to transcribe for you. Unlike dun sa ibang mga software tool na ginamit natin, medyo mabilis lang, di ba? Pero this one, it might take a few minutes to 24 hours, often within 2 hours. Depende dun sa gaano kalaki yung file na ginawa mo. So, there you go. And then, just click on go back to Shelo. Hintayin mo na lang siya na mag-upload. Ngayon, once it's done, so, hintayin mo lang. There. Hintayin mo lang siya na mag-process dyan. Ngayon, kapag nagpunta ka dito, look at this one, it's processing. Ito yung ginawa natin. Kapag meron ka ang mangyayari dyan, once it's done processing, makikita mo na siya dito. So, medyo matagal siya. It takes actually, iniwan ko to eh. I don't know exactly kung how long siya. So, I just took a break while I was doing this. So, hindi ko na monitor kung gaano katagal yung processing niya. So, actually, it's medyo ilang oras din akong nawala sa computer. So, I really don't know kung how long was it. Now, let's say for example, done na siyang mag-process. You go ahead and click on my uploads. Tapos, lalabas to. Yan, still the same sa my uploads, and then ito yung let's say for example, this is etong na-process, ito siya. Kunwari parang lahat ng mga natapos na na-process will be seen here. And then you just go ahead and click on that. Ay, sorry. Click on, there you go. Ayan. So, ito yung transcript niya na ginawa ni machine. So, you can edit here, you can print this, or you can download the transcript. Now, once you download the transcript, you have to click on RTF, not the PDF. Kasi pag PDF yan, nakalock yan, hindi mo siya ma-edit. i-convert mo pa ulit siya sa Microsoft Word. So, RTF lang. So, download using RTF. Tapos, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So, nasa text siya. So, once again, since madali naman na, no, ang gagawin mo na lang dito, ayusin mo na lang yung pagkakaparagraph niya, pero everything, the heavy lifting has been done for you, hindi na ikaw yung magta-transcribe. So, I think, kahit na medyo overwhelming pa rin siyang tignan, no, kasi parang ang dami, tapos wala siyang mga spacing. That's your job. That's where you come in. Because the machine makes it easier for you na nga. Imagine, ikaw pa yung magta-transcribe, tapos you do the proofreading and all. Eto, ang gagawin mo na lang, proofread mo na lang siya kung ano yung ginawa niya, and then you put the spacing. Okay? So, that's how we use the Cielo.24. See you on the next video.